Say hi, Daddy. Tell Daddy hi. No. Are you going to talk to Daddy? Say, Daddy, I miss you. Tell him. Yeah, get your hand out of there. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. You're so pretty. You guys want to tell Daddy you miss him? Lexi, come here and tell Daddy you miss him. Say, Daddy, I miss you. Say it.
Daddy, I miss you.
I love you.
I love you.
Give him a kiss. Christopher, say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Give him a kiss. Aww.